guys ever gone swimming before?
Me.
Yeah. Did you float on top of the water or did you sink down to the bottom?
Sink down at the bottom.
Sometimes you sink down to the bottom?
Yeah.
And sometimes you float on the top.
I fell down.
You sunk down to the bottom?
I swim.
So today,
I got
we're going to
the
figure
water.
out what
I'm
things
not.
float
Yeah.
I'm not.
and what things sink.
I'm not. I'm not.
You're not what?
I
You're not
feel
gonna...
the water.
So do you guys think that these things are going to float or are they going to sink?
I want to go there.
Okay.
I want the car.
Okay, well maybe you can. Nope, don't put them in yet.
He's gonna have to wait. He's gonna have to wait. We're gonna talk about him first.
Okay.
I want the car.
So can everybody say the word density?
Density.
We're only going to talk about that for a little bit because it's hard to understand. But when things are less density, good job. Density,
I put the water.
density. That's good.
Density.
Diego, can you say that word?
Where?
Density,
Density.
density. That's good. So when things have less soon, but when things have less density than water does, they float on the top of it. But if they are more dense than water is, then they sink to the bottom of it.
Yeah.
So let's start with this ball.
Okay, I'm tired.
Hang on. Do you think that this ball is going to float to the bottom, or is it going to, or float on the top, or is it going to sink to the bottom?
We don't know.
Do you want to guess?
Yes.
What do you think it's going to do?
Go down.
You think it's going to go down?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you set it gently on top of the water and let's see. What's it doing?
It's floating.
It's floating. So the red ball floats.
Oh.
You say?
Now it's gonna be my turn again.
No, now you had a turn.
Somebody else is gonna get to have a turn. Hussein.
Let's see what else we should try. What about this car?
Me.
Neymar, do you think that the car is going to float on the top or is it going to sink to the bottom? You think so? Okay, put it in nice and gently.
Oh!
It sunk to the bottom, didn't it?
Oh, you can.
Yeah, so it went all the way to the bottom. So you know what we know about this car? Now we know that the car is less dense, no, is more dense than the water is, right? Can you say more dense?
More dense.
Yep, okay.
They have another toy.
So the car sinks. Nicole,
Ice cream.
which one would you like to try? I'll put out a few more, and you can see.
Pepsi bottle.
Things are gonna get interesting.
This squeaky.
Yeah. Do you want to try the orange? No? What about this?
The soda.
Okay. This is empty.
Empty.
So
What
do
does
you
it
think,
mean when there's empty?
Yeah.
It's empty.
What does it mean when it's empty?
It's empty. We all
There you go.
drink it. We drink it.
It's
a lot.
all gone. That means it's all gone.
Yeah,
Drink it
all
all.
gone. It's all gone.
Okay. Here, let's put these over here for a while. How about? Okay, so who thinks that the can is going to float on top of the water?
Me.
Hussein thinks so. Mariam thinks so. Who thinks that it's going to sink to the bottom?
Me.
We all think both things are going to happen. Okay, Nicole, why don't you see? What is it doing?
Floating.
It floats on the top. So an empty can
Float on the top.
floats on the top of the water.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What happens if we let some water in the can first?
That
What's
is a
gonna
good
happen?
question.
What's gonna happen if we put water?
Do you think if we put water in it, it will still float, or do you think it will sink then?
Let go. Let go. If we can put the soda, you can float.
Okay. Now it's full of water. See that? Let's see what happens. Is it still gonna float, you think?
No.
No, you don't think so? Hussein thinks so. Let's see.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow, it kind of does both.
Oh
not
wow.
Oh, I wonder what. Oh my God! Inside.
Hang on. Let's wait. What do you think, Neymar? Let's pour it all out.
I wonder what the orange we put it in the water.
I wonder too, Hussein. I don't know. Ask Miss Kyla what she thinks.
No, you can.
What do you think? Hang on, let's wait a second. It's pretty heavy, isn't it?
Okay, try.
Okay, why don't we let everybody hold it so they can see?
Yeah,
Hang on a second.
over here.
Can we listen?
Grace.
Neymar, what do you think is going to happen to the orange?
No. Float.
You think it's going to float?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
No, you already did one. It's Mariam's turn to put one in there. Mariam, do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float?
No.
You think it's going to float? Why don't you try it? Now you have to put it in really gently or else it's going to splash because it's heavy. Good job.
What
What's
happened?
it doing?
It rolled it.
What's it doing?
Did it sink or did it float?
Whoa.
It flew. It's floating, isn't it? So let's write that.
That surprises me, Miss Kyla.
I know. I
didn't know
did
that.
that last
was
night. I was like, whoa. Careful, Neymar.
Turtles. Turtles in the water.
What do you think is going to happen to the turtle, Hussein?
Maybe it'll fall down.
You think? Let's see what happens to the turtle. Put it over here.
It's swimming.
Yeah, look at that. The turtle floats on top of the water.
It's a bear. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you know what? Let's do one more because Diego hasn't got to put one in yet. Okay? Can I have that back? Thank you, Mariam.
It's a bear. It's a bear.
Diego's turn. Diego's turn. Neymar. Neymar Lopez Sanchez. That was Diego's turn.
Hot or cold? Okay. Thank you, Hussein.
Oh no, the baby's red.
Okay, Diego. Now we have this red bear.
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to float?
Float.
You think? Put it in. Let's see what happens.
Oh,
So the red bear.
a lot more things are floating than I thought they would. I
I
have
know.
to say.
Okay, that's all of them.
Say thank you, Miss Kyla.
You're welcome. Thanks for paying attention so well.
Oh!